Welcome to our guide on selecting the right paternity test for your needs. Whether you're seeking peace of mind or need legal documentation, we have an option that's right for you. Choose between the three options: home test, office swab, or visit a lab or clinic. Home DNA test. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to establish paternity from the comfort of your home, our home DNA test is the perfect choice. Here's how it works. Order your kit online. Once it arrives, follow the instructions to collect a cheek swab. Mail the samples back to us or to the lab. Receive your results confidentially online within 48 hours. Remember, while convenient, home DNA tests are not court admissible due to the lack of a chain of custody. Office swab for a court-admissible paternity test. For those requiring a legally binding result, our office swab is the solution. Schedule an appointment at one of our offices. A certified professional will collect a DNA sample. We ensure a documented chain of custody. Your court-admissible results will be ready within 48 hours. This option is ideal for legal matters such as child support, custody, and inheritance cases. Lab or clinic non-invasive paternity test. For a more discreet approach, consider our non-invasive paternity test. This prenatal test can be performed as early as 7 weeks of gestation. Visit one of our partner labs or clinics. A simple blood draw is all that's needed, and a mouth swab from the alleged father. No pain, no fuss. This test is quick, safe for you and your baby. Results are delivered securely by email or mail in as little as 7 days, with a maximum wait of 21 days. Note that this test can also be used for court-admissible legal matters and offers a high degree of accuracy and privacy. Each of these options is designed to suit different needs and circumstances. Consider what's most important for you: convenience, legal validity, or privacy, and make your choice accordingly. Miami Beach Notary and Miami Beach LiveScan Fingerprinting, your trusted DNA paternity test service center. 2 locations for service. We are in Miami Beach and Wynwood, Miami.